Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about mobile automation testing by using Python. Hi friends, welcome back. And now we are going to executing some set of code and we'll see whether it will work or not. Like in the appium, like in this code, like alerts, we already see the code, right? The same code I'm going to copy and then we are going to test whether we can able to click those actions or not. Okay. Even you can try for n number of methods to create and do all the things. That is not a big deal. Okay. You can able to do it everything. For here, what happen for this method, if you call this particular method, then automatically it will start for that particular function and the final it will start for driver quit as well. Okay. Both the cases you can able to use like I'm going to using for already existing code because I don't want to waste your time as well as my time also. Just copying that. Okay, the methods we already seen in the demo places, like how the setup function and module and method, how it will work and how we can able to create for Pytest file and all everything we discussed in the previous videos. Okay, one by one you can go through that. You can able to understand. Okay, in this integration also we done for in the last video how we can able to integrate and all. Okay, now we are going to run and see the execution whether we can able to execute properly or not step by step. Okay. For running purpose, you can able to use for terminal or else you can able to click for this particular thing. Any one you can able to use and we can able to click run. Okay. Now I'm running here and then I'm going to now app is opened. Now it is clicked OK and alert also and is clicked and see everything is clicked step by step and it is finally clicked quit also. Driver quit also it is happened. That is tear down function. This function also it is called and it is able to click that particular one. Okay. This is the simplest example of how we can able to integrate one app into a PyTest and also how we can able to run our execution. Okay, this is the test case type. Okay, test underscore demo one is the red. That is a test case one type. You can able to create another test also for another action. For the same app, you want to start this particular function into another one. Again, you can able to run. That also you can able to do it. Okay, multiple ways we can able to do it. Without any issue we can able to create a number of set of functions. Okay, even you can able to call this function into some conf place also. Not here, we called it as some locations we can able to keep it, some functionality location and we can able to access those things also. Okay, that is a PyTest one. We can able to separate conf test. In that conf test you can able to keep it and you can able to reuse n number of times without any issue. Okay, that is another format of things. If you see in my YouTube channel, there is a playlist for Python, PyTest. If that flow, if you are following, then based upon that, you can able to copy paste and you can able to reuse. That is the best option to do it. Okay. The function we can able to call it one time. Like globally, we can able to store this particular set of function and we can able to use that. I can able to show you in the last. Okay, we can able to work this particular function to separate to keep some location and we can able to access those functions and we can able to run those things also we can able to see in the next video session times. Okay, thank you for watching. Subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues and don't forget to comment on this video. Thank you.